Hello there, this is an update video for Marduk, the real DIY mech. You can notice that her right arm is looking a little different. That's because I figured that with punching stuff that she needs a bit more reach, so I made this big old thing right here to give her a longer hand. I need to get the hand more secured to it, but, baby steps. And that is a lot of aluminum flashing that I use. There's just like 3 sections for that cylinder for the arm, and I'm gonna go inside and see if I can actually, lift the arm, and if it was just a big waste of time. There we go. That was pretty neat. It was a little heavier than the other arm, obviously, but I can still move it around fairly well. I'm going to be starting probably a workout routine soon so I can get used to, schlepping the big arms around and stuff. I'm also probably going to add like a few little details onto the arm to make it look interesting and totally not make it look like a certain OVA from the 80s. Metal Skin Panic Madoc 01. But, I'm going to be doing something similar with this arm, but changing the mitten into more of a grabby claw, which I'll show you in a sec. Here it is. It doesn't look like much at the moment because I haven't added the forearm casing, but we've got our claw right here, a bungee that pulls it back into position, and when the linear actuator inside retracts, it pulls on this cable, and makes the finger bend inwards. I'm not sure exactly how strong it's going to be because, it's being supported by this metal and PVC and stuff, but it will at least look cool and we'll be able to pose and stuff and maybe take a few hits and, well, not break the bank if it does break. And I guess the only thing I need to do with this is figure out a way to make the fingers more lightweight, maybe do like a 2-part 3D printed piece, or maybe actually make a metal sort of hollow finger like the other arm over there. But I guess that will be all for today, so if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and rip off a old esoteric anime today. Bye bye.